You've been one of your most enduring contributions to this whole field of computer science has been multiple textbooks that have formed the foundations of how people could learn. Generations of students have graduated, reading your textbooks. What motivated you to do that early on?
Oh.
And how do you now, when you look at that body of work of yours?
Yeah. Well, okay. First of all, an odd but very clear explanation to how I got into book writing. When I'd gone to Bell Labs, I'd graduated, gone to Bell Labs. The next year, John Hopcroft, who had been a professor, well, he was an assistant professor at Princeton. I learned from him. But then he took a sabbatical at Bell Labs. So we were, for a while, a year, we were sort of working together. And he says to me one day, he says, Alman, if you want to be a famous person, you have to write a book.
Okay.
And, I said, well, he was my teacher. I guess, okay, we'll do that. What would you like to write about? And it turned out, I had been studying automata theory with Seymour Ginsburg the year or two before that. He had a research program out in Santa Monica, California, that was looking at automata theory. And John had, by coincidence, sort of been teaching himself the field. So he said, okay, maybe we know a little bit about automata theory. Let's write a book about automata theory. And, it turned out, when it was published, it was pretty much the only book in computer science